Okay, so next thing what we are going to do is to find the torque and RPM pair for this row. What is this row? The name of this row is the peak corner point. And you will ask, hey, what is this peak corner point? And let me tell you, you already know about it. Why? Just come to this sheet, which is fun with vehicle acceleration, and come to this chart, which is a torque versus motor RPM. So if you come to this chart and then if you see it here to here, it is a constant torque and then we have a constant power. So where this two curve meets, we call it that point as a corner point, and we need to find what is the torque and the RPM at this point. So torque will be the constant torque, which we already know about it, which is 94.5, and the RPM will be corresponding RPM at this point here. And when you hover the mouse at this point, you can see the RPM is 3799. And if you are not able to get it from here, you have to do very simple thing. Come to this table here and then see from where the constant power started. And when you come here after 36.5, then we have a 36.8, and then after it remains same. So at this point we can see the RPM is 3799. So we know the torque and RPM pair, and just come to this sheet and then fill it. So the RPM will be 3799, and that's what I am going to write here. The torque will be same, which is 94.5, and the power, what will be the power? Yes, you guessed it, which is 36.8. This is the max power or the constant power that we got it. Now come to this row, which is at the start point or at when the vehicle is starting. So definitely RPM is going to be the 0, and the max torque at the 0 RPM that motor can deliver is 94.5, and since there is no RPM, hence the power will be 0. So with this we have completed this motor specification. We found the torque and the RPM pair for peak mode driving and also for continuous mode driving. But in continuous mode, I have not given a proper explanation for this row at the start, which I'm going to give very soon. But now we are ready to draw the motor characteristics curve using this table. And the characteristics curve will be nothing but the same curve that we draw already here. So this is the motor characteristics curve. But we are stopped till 60 kmph. We will extend this power till the max speed, and then when we draw it and then we call it, this is the motor characteristics curve or a motor characteristics that we want in order to fulfill my vehicle performance criteria. So let's go ahead and then draw this motor characteristics curve.